Today we are going to review adding s and es to the ends of words. Some words we just add s, like the plural form of most nouns and the present tense of most verbs, like cat and sit. We just add s to make cats and sits. But some words need es. Words that end in the following, like ch, sh, s, x, and z, we add es. For example, beach ends in ch, so we add an es to make beaches. Wish ends in sh, so we add an es to make wishes. Bus ends in s, so we add an es to make buses. Box ends in x, so we add an es to make boxes. Buzz ends in z, so we add an es to make buzzes. Let's take a look at some other words, and I want you to tell me which ones we would add es to. Let's take a look at some words. Remember, if it ends in sh, ch, s, x, or z, we're going to add es. If it does not end in one of those endings, we're just going to add s. So let's take a look at the word bench. Bench ends in a ch. Remember, if it ends in a ch, we're going to add es. Can you use your dry erase board and add an es to the word bench to make benches? Let's take a look at another one. The next word is snake. Snake ends in e. E is not one of our letters over here that tells us to add es. So for snake, to make it plural, we're just going to add an s to make snakes. Can you write snakes on your dry erase board? I want you to go ahead and do the rest on your own. Glass, brush, fox, and light. Can you use the chart over here and what we've just reviewed to make glasses, brushes, fox, and light? Go ahead and do that. When you're done, have an adult check it for you. You do not need to snap a pic and upload today, as this is just for practice.